So what is the Vault? You see, it is so cost prohibitive to be able to have a comprehensive program for the development of myself, or if I'm a leader of an organization, of my people. The Vault seeks to solve that problem by providing a plethora, a library of meaningful information and tangible tools that you can access 24/7. That you can use to develop yourself, or that you can use to develop your people, or you can use to develop your organization. And we wanted to make it barrier-free. In other words, the barrier to entry was low. That's why the subscription is so low. But it is not by any means an indication of the quality of the information, or the quality of the tools, or the quality of the individuals delivering it. We've assembled a group of experts in various fields that will provide you information on a regular basis. And that information will reside in that library. 3 distinct libraries. First, library that we'll call the topic of the month. Every month there'll be a topic and there'll be various speakers speaking to that topic. Then there'll be the professional library, where you can go and gain information, tools, videos, audio, handouts, all the materials that you would need to grow your organization in human resources, in marketing, and business development. Then the personal library. In this library, you'll gain all the information that you need to improve yourself. Personal leadership, time management, relations, physical wellness. 3 distinct libraries. And that will be updated regularly so that you can come in 24/7 fashion, on demand, and access the information that you need to grow. So the Vault looks to be a turnkey solution to your personal, to your professional development, and to the development of an organization and its people. I hope you'll take advantage of this unique opportunity.